Good morning. Present conventional energy status is discussed in this video. In general, energy resources are classified into conventional and non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional energy resources include wind energy, solar energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy conversion, and different types of other energy resources. But conventional energy resources are classified into thermal energy and nuclear energy. The installed capacity in India, as on 1/4/2023 is thermal energy 2,37,269 megawatt, nuclear energy 6,780 megawatt. R by P ratio. R by P means reserve to production ratio for fossil fuels: oil 40 years, natural gas 60 years, coal 200 years. These resources, the conventional energy resources, are unevenly distributed around the world. The consumption areas do not all coincide with production areas. New oil discoveries have not yet been forthcoming around the globe. These are all the major comments about the present conventional energy status. The different types of fossil fuels are coal, oil, and natural gas. First, the coal. The coal enjoys the main primary energy source status in Asia Pacific, which comprises the largest population. The reserve to production ratio in respect of major regions of the globe describes the life of different fossil fuels on Earth. The fact remains that oil and gas have limited reserves to last 41 and 67 years respectively at current production level. In contrast, world has a coal reserve to last 190 years at the current production level. It follows that due to limited oil and gas resources, countries all over the world will have to depend on coal in foreseeable future for their primary energy requirement. Then oil, crude oil, is a smelly yellow to black liquid and is usually found in underground areas called reservoirs. Crude oil is nothing but petroleum. Top 5 oil producing nations are Saudi Arabia, USSR, USA, Iran, and China. 58% of crude oil is used for fuel and products in US is imported from other countries. Then availability of fossil fuels. Over half of the fossil fuels in the world are consumed by US, China, and European Union, countries that are considered advanced. United States consumes about 2000 million tons of oil equivalent, European Union around 1400, and Japan around 400, Russia around 700, other developed countries around 1250, and China and Hong Kong 1250, India and 300, other developing countries around 1700 million tons of oil equivalent. Some of the thermal power plants in India. India mainly uses 3 types of thermal power plants which are listed below, and coal-fired thermal power plants contributes 2,06,404 megawatt, and gas 24,956 megawatt, and diesel power plants are 509 megawatt. A list of nuclear power plants in India. Kakrapur Atomic Power Station, commissioned in 1993, which is in Gujarat, has a capacity of 440 megawatt. Kalpakkam Madras Atomic Power Station, commissioned in 1984, in Tamil Nadu, has a capacity of 440 megawatt. Narora Atomic Power Station, 1991, Uttar Pradesh, has a capacity of 440 megawatt. Keiga Nuclear Power Plant, commissioned in 2000 in Karnataka, has a capacity of 880 megawatt. Rajasthan Atomic Power Station, commissioned in 1973, has a capacity of 1180 megawatt. Tarapur Atomic Power Station, commissioned in 1969, which has a capacity of 1400 megawatt. Kudangalam Nuclear Power Project has a capacity of 2000 megawatt. Thank you.